Welcome to my channel, and we have this beautiful exponential equation on the board. Now, how do you solve this kind of question when you see it? Are you the type that will just use this 5 to the x power to cancel this, use this to cancel this, then you now simplify and quickly get your x? That's not the right way. I'm going to take you through and show you a step-by-step approach of how to solve this kind of equation. Let's do that together. So we begin this with our solution. So this is what we have: 10 to the x power, add 10 to the x power, and this is divided by 5 to the power of x plus this, and everything is equal to 100. So what you do now is you observe that these are all adding. So, and 10 to the x power is repeated. So quickly factor it out. So you have 10 to the x power, open a bracket, use it to divide itself, it gives you 1. Use it to divide itself is 1. Divide itself is 1. Is divided by, this is also like this, so factor it out. So use this to divide itself is 1. Use this to divide itself is 1. And this is equal to 100. We keep solving from here. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for choosing to learn tutorials. And if you find what you're doing interesting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You also share with your friends. Now we keep solving from here. So to now have 10 to the x power. If you add this, it gives you 3 and is divided by 5 to the x power. If you add this, it gives us 2 and is equal to 100. What do we do next? This is also the same as 10 to the x power multiplied by 3 is divided by 5 to the x power multiplied by 2 is equal to 100. So what we do now is, for this, you see that these ones are of the same powers. Just quickly remember, for every a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, let's adjust it. So each time you have a to the power of m divided by this, it's always a to the power a divided by b, and it will have one power of m. So for this, you see that this is dividing. Did you see it? So you can apply this principle here. So we are going to now have 10 divided by 5 will be raised to the power of x, then is multiplied by 3 divided by 2, and this is equal to 100. And what do we do next? Our target is on x, so we should clear this. And to clear this, because it's multiplying, we are going to divide. And to remove this, we use the inverse. So the multiplicative inverse is going to give us 10 divided by 5 to the x power multiplied by 3 halves. You multiply by the inverse, so it's going to give us 2/3, so that you can clear it. Is equal to, do same here. So you multiply this by 2/3. That's just that. So this cancels, we have 1. So we keep simplifying from here to have, if you divide 10 by 5, it gives us 2 to the x power is equal to, this is over 1, multiply, it gives you 200 and is divided by 3. Now at this point, we cannot express this in powers of 2. So quickly take the logarithm of both sides. So we do that to have log of 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 200 divided by 3. Now what we do next is just remember quickly, for every log of a divided by b, is always log of a. Division sign of this turns to subtraction. So this is what we have. So let's apply this logarithm rule on the right side to have log of 2 to the power of x. Apply this here. We now have log of 200 minus log of 3. Now we are going to simplify this. This 200 is the same thing as 2 here is 100, 2 here is 50, 2 is 25, 5 is 5, and 5 here is 1. So it means that for this is going to give us 2 will be raised to the 3rd power and 5 will be raised to the 2nd power. So we have log of 2 to the power of x is log of 200 is the same as 2 cubed multiplied by 5 squared. That's what we have here. Then we have minus log of 3. So we keep simplifying, and to do that, we are going to now have log of 2 to the x power is for every log of a multiplied by b is always log of a. Multiplication turns to addition of log. So if you apply it here, you have log of 2 cubed plus log of 5 squared, then minus log of 3. Now we keep simplifying this. So we're going to now have log of 2. Now each time you have log of, for every log of a to the power of x, the power multiplies the log. So it gives you x log a. So let's apply it on this. So to now have this multiplies, so we have x log 2. Then for the right hand side, we are going to now have 3 log 2 plus this gives us 2 log 5 minus log 3. And because you want to find x, you are going to remove log 2. So you use log 2 to divide each part of the equation. So let's do that. So if you do this, we are going to have this way divide to give us 1. So we have x is equal to 3 log 2. You see that log 2 can cancel log 2. So we are left with 3 plus, for this, we cannot divide. So let's return it. We have 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And what do you do? For every log of a, so let's take it off. For every log of a divided by log of b, it's always log of a. So we have log a base b. So if you apply this rule here, we are going to have x is equal to 3 plus 2 log, this will give us 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. And this gives us the simplified value of x. And I hope you really learned something. Don't forget to tell us how much, like, share this video. If you're still new, hit that subscription button, and I'll also be curious to see your own method. Thank you for choosing to learn through us. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.